I wanted to share with you this Go Lokal surprise box from my friends at the Department of Trade and Industry and Kalocal by One Export. They worked together to create a curated box of Filipino treats to support small businesses in the Philippines. A bottle of Gustazo sardines caught by the fishing communities in the Zamboanga Peninsula in Mindanao. A bottle of Mama Sili Bangus or milkfish harvested in a family pond in Pangasinan. Bags of kamote or sweet potato and saba banana chips made by the farmers of Villa Socorro Farms. A box of Davao origin tablea for hot chocolate and chocolate-covered dried mangoes by Cocoa Monster. A tote bag created by the artisan communities at Gifts and Graces. I love how this box offers thoughtfully selected products from home while helping small entrepreneurs make a living and gain international exposure. Stay tuned on how to order one when the box officially launches in the coming weeks, and don't forget to visit kalocal.oneexport.com for more details. Thanks for watching and see you next time.